This is a revision video and is not a substitute for attending a first aid course. Remember to always follow the guidance that was given to you during your training. Okay, so I'm going to look to put your arm now in a arm sling. So I'm bringing again the right hand in the corner towards the elbow. You can just lift your hand forwards for me. And the tapered point again, level with his fingers of the injured arm. You can put your arm down in front. Now bring up all this material. Bring it round to tie off on the same side as where his fingers are. Is that a good height for you? Is that comfortable? Yeah. So tie off with a knot or a bow on that side. And now I'm just going to finish off this corner bit. I'm just going to chisel that round and tuck in. Let's just check your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the colours come back. How's that feel? Comfortable. Yeah, good. Let's go to the hospital. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.